যে ছামুনুর এমডিসি হংসকুমার ত্রিপুরা উনি জনসভা মাধ্যমে ত্রিপুরা মথাতে যোগ দিয়েছিল। সেই জনসভায় একটা জনগণকে ভুল বার্তা দিয়ে এবং জনগণকে মিথ্যা অপপ্রচার করে যে একটা যোগদান করেছিল। সেই যোগদানে প্রথমে আমরা যদি বলতে চাই, যদি যে কোনো দলে আমরা যোগদান করি, প্রথমে পরিবার হিসাবগুলা এবং ভোটার হিসাবগুলা এবং পঞ্চায়েত ভিত্তিক হিসাবগুলা সে থাকে
সিমিছে থাঙ্গো আবো কোনো পঞ্চায়েত ভিত্তিক যদি থাঙি তংখা আঙ্কাই যদি কোনো পঞ্চায়েত ভিত্তিক বংনি যে কয় ভোটার ব পঞ্চায়েতনি ব বিসিনি বুসুক থাকা আবনি কোনো তথ্য প্রমাণ করে আবো সম্পূর্ণ মিথ্যা।
Good morning to all peoples of Tripura, and I want to thank first of all to social media and electronic media for joining us, for helping us to reach our voice to the all people of Tripura. Today on 23rd August 2022 there was a mass gathering in Manikpur Bazaar under leadership of our beloved BIGRA for joining program, and there was a joining of our MDC BJP opposition leader Sri Hongsokumar Tripura. He joined on that day, and peoples from different places like Manikpur and Samunu, Lalchora, they are in Choilengta, Mono, under 49 ST constituency. There was many people who have joined under leadership of Sri Hongsokumar Tripura on that day. But on 24 August 2022 at Manikpur BJP office, they have released a press conference through social media that the joining program which was happened in Manikpur Bazaar on 23rd August, it was totally wrong. They have allegation of that. Today we are here for clarifying the matters. Actually, on that day we all have been there in joining program, and it is crystal clear that how much people was gathered in Manikpur field. That we all know, that we have seen, and now what they have said is totally wrong, and we hope all the peoples of Tripura will understand and will believe by seeing the picture of the program. Under leadership of Maharaja, there was 1,000 people. Many people came for seeing our Maharaja for joining program and gathering here. And what they have alleged as that the joining program false is totally wrong. And I hope through social media they will get the message. All the Tripura people will get the message that the joining program was totally right. We have been there, and it is 100% true that peoples who what we have mentioned during the program is totally right, and all the people have been joined through that program. On that day, during joining program, from different places like Manikpur, CHAMUNG, Choilengta, and Lalchora, Moinama, total family who have joined us is 3,112 family, total family, and total voter was 6,500. And they have already alleged from different places like Manikpur, CHAMUNG, Choilengta, and Lalchora, Moinama, total family who have joined us is 3,112 family, total family, and total voter was 6,500. And they have already alleged that the list which has been released through social media is totally false. But today through social media we want to clarify, we want to send message to the peoples of Tripura that under leadership of BIGRA on that day how much total family have joined is totally right. Secondly, I want to clarify that in press meet they have released that Mr. Sri Hongsokumar Tripura, MDC and opposition leader of 49 ST constituency, they have mentioned that he is greed of post and greed of money. That's why he joined Tipra Motha. And this is totally wrong. We all know that he is having power in opposition leader also. He is having Scott. He is having own car, from our party, and he is having quarter from in TTADC also, in Agartala also, we know all that. But for our land, for our right, he came and joined us for fighting for the betterment of Tripura peoples and for developing the areas of TTADC area. He joined us, he joined Maharaja, and he came to help our BIGRA to serve peoples in good way. During in his previous position, he was just named with name MDC, but he cannot do anything for the peoples of our area. Now he came join us to serve independently under Tripura Motha party, because our BIGRA is in the way of truth. That's why he joined us. So whatever BJP workers allegate and whatever BJP people's release press is totally false. He is in true way. He will help us. He will help our BIGRA to serve our peoples in good way. So all these things allegation, he is totally wrong. I want to clarify through this social media, and I will request all the news channel, all the Facebook page, all the Instagram page to distribute, to share this message to all the peoples of Tripura.
Hambai social media এবং electronic media sungtini badongwe smith khinani CHINI 23 तारिख আগস্ট যে জয়নিং প্রোগ্রাম নি যে জনসভায় যে এলিগেশন থেপামানি ওইচং বাদঙ্গি रो মাফাইকা প্রেস মিট খাইনানি তিনি যতন ফুংকাহাম যত সারা ত্রিপুরা রাজ্যনি চিনি 13 লক্ষ যে সংগঠন চংকাইছা মেসেজ রনানাयो চিনি प्रेस मिट फाइसबायजाक चिनि ब्लक कमिटी एडवाइजर अनि सबजाक चिनि ताखौ चिनि सेक्टर कमिटिनि तंगो प्रेसिडेंट निरंजय रियां आं सेक्रेटारि तंगो गेताय आरो चिनि इरुनि वाइटिएमनि तनला चिनि चेयरमैन मानिकपुरनि विद्याजय त्रिपुरा चिनि वाइटिए विक्रम आरो जत माफाइके दंगै दुखित जों थांनाय 23 तारिखआव जयनिं जे खायमानि दारा चिनि टिप्रा मथाना हामजागै एबं महाराजाना हामजागै महाराजानि सेंख्रि सामुं तांनानै हिंगै ब्रक फायमानि महाराजाना लगिरनानै हिंगै ओबनो थांनाय मिया 24 तारिखआव बीजेपी नि कायसा चिनि मानिकपुर हातिगो कायसा रैली अंगो ओ रैली बाजार सभा को ब्रक मिथ्या अपप्रचार एवं मिथ्या भावे जोंनो इलिगेल रोखा ब्रक हंस कुमार त्रिपुरा नाकि पोस्ट लुबी रां लुबी उमते हाइके ब्रक जे रैली को मिथ्या अपप्रचार खाइए ब्रक सामानि अबने चिनि त्रिपुरा मथा पक्ष हइते जों अनेक सिनिंगो आरो जे चिनि त्रिपुरा मथा नि उपरो जेबाबे ब्रक जयनिं रफायनाय रंनो ककथाइसा ब्रक सामानि तं सागमिया जे फ्रेश मिट खाइए ए ब्रक नाकि जारा जयन रफायनाय रक जारा पारा नि ब्रक जयन रफायनाय रक ब्रक कि मिथ्या पो अब ब्रक सिका गसिनि फाय जयन रफायो बिसिंलाइसिनि ब्रक से हिंगे जि सामानि अब जारा इ सामनु कन्स्टिट्यूशन नि बिसिंगो सामनु तथा सामने 49 नि बिसिंगो जत चिनि 24 ता बिसिनि ब्रक फाय जयन रफायजागरो ओ कौरंनो खनागै ब्रकनि से कौरंनो खनागै जों वानानानि ख्रै बखा बायनानि कौरं चिनि सारा त्रिपुरा राज्यनि चिनि टिप्रासा नि जे सामुं तांनानि हिंगै जारा महाराजाना लगे रगे फायनानि हिंगै समाय तांगै फायनाय रंनो ब्रकनो बिभ्रान्त भावे ब्रक बिभ्रान्त खायनानि चेष्टा खायदंगो अबनि बागै जों ब्रकनो सिनेंगो अबनो सागैनो चिनि जे सारा त्रिपुरा राज्यनि 13 लक्ष जनगण बा चिनि टिप्रासा जातिनो दफानि बागै ब्रकनि उमते हाय कौरंनो जों खोनायागै दफानि बागै सामुं तांनानि जों 단짝하ye 이제 마하라자는 로게르는 영토hinगै आं 이 কক थाइसा थाइनि कसारुमंग इरनो सेसखैका जतनो हामबाय जतनो खुलुमका